Hey everyone, this is Scott with Everything Starts Somewhere. Today we're headed to Egmont Key. This cool little island guards the mouth of Tampa Bay. It's got a crazy history as a military fort and lighthouse, but this video is going to focus on the massive erosion it's been battling for many decades. In this video, we're going to take a look at a time lapse that spans from 1984 through 2024. We'll then get the drone up in the air, get some aerial footage so you can see what it looks like with the island being restored, and also some views from my boat as we are sitting just off the shore of Egmont Key while they're working on it. I like this Google Earth shot. It just turned out that it was a nice sunny warm day and you can see boats lining the beach along these crystal clear waters here in the Gulf. Now check out this time lapse I was able to grab from Google Earth. It's running from 1984 through 2024, and let me tell you, Egmont's shrinking faster than my bank account after putting gas in the boat. See that red line? That's the island back in 1984, and the yellow one, that goes all the way back to 1877. It's pretty crazy how much of this island has been washed away over the decades. Keep watching as we work our way through the rest of the years up to 2024. This island sits right in the mouth of Tampa Bay, so it takes a beating. And see that dark area just to the north of it? That is the main shipping channel where passenger ships, cargo ships, everything comes in and out. So there's a lot of traffic there. A lot of big waves are generated by these big ships. You'll notice all the way through 2022 we keep getting smaller and smaller, but in 2023 and 2024 you'll see something a little bit different on the west side of the island compared to the rest of the years. Alright, now that we're done with the time lapse, let's grab the drone and fly over the island. See all that water where land used to be? Yep, erosion's not messing around. Down south where we're headed, this was an awesome battery with cannons protecting the bay. Now the only thing sticking out is the very top. It really is amazing that all of this water you're seeing now used to be land. But on the brighter side of things, down where the battery used to be, it is a really nice snorkel area now. People come from all over to do some snorkeling down there. Something else you'll notice along the island, you'll see a lot of burned up trees or trees with all of the branches missing. That's because there was a fire there in 2016 from a lightning strike. It burned up somewhere between 80 and 100 acres of land. So this island is not only getting beat up from erosion, it also has to deal with forest fires too. Now we're coming up on the battery that I talked about earlier. Remember, all of the stuff that you see sticking out of the water now, this used to all be land. This was a battery that had cannons that helped protect the bay. It is all underwater now except for the very tops. Now check out this top-down view that I was able to get by putting the drone camera straight down into the water. You can see there's a lot of stuff that's underwater that used to be land. There's part of a wall there. There's still part of the concrete that made up the battery, and you can see some large gears that are in here too that help turn and rotate the cannon so they could fire it in different directions. It's just, it blows my mind that this was all land and it's been all washed away and it's now underwater. Just amazing. But hold on, Egmont Key is not going down without a fight. See that heavy equipment hard at work? They are putting sand back on the western shore of the island. The western shore faces out into the Gulf of Mexico and takes most of the beating, so that's where most of the erosion occurs. They've been hard at work for many months now restoring the beach on the western shore, and as you can see from this drone footage, they've added hundreds of feet to the beach on the western shore, and this will add many more years of erosion prevention as we go through the many decades to come. Hopefully they have more projects to go to keep this island in place and keep the shores from eroding away. Thanks for checking out this video. There will be more videos to come on Egmont Key and other islands in the area. Thanks for checking out the channel.